What is the top mistake that doctors make in medical malpractice? Many people think it has to do with failing to diagnose a medical condition, or doing a test, or following up. But it turns out that the biggest mistake is doctors failing to listen to the patient. It used to be, before we had all these computers and tablets that stood in the way between the patient and the doctor, that the doctor would come in and have a long conversation with patients. Not only would they ask about what's going on with the symptoms, but they would want to know what's going on in the patient's life. What's their job situation? Are they having any stresses or anxiety? Have they changed any of their diet? All these different lifestyle questions that may give the doctor some answers as to what's going on. But unfortunately, because of the way medicine is today, those conversations are not taking place. And if they are taking place, I bet you already know that those conversations are not taking very long at all. Doctors are not asking the same thorough questions that they used to. So how does that affect you as a patient? Because if the doctor's not listening to your story thoroughly, sometimes your symptoms may not have direct answers. But if your doctor takes the time to ask you what's going on with your life, maybe that can provide some answers as to why you're not feeling well. So what can you do in the era of time constraints and technology to make sure that you have the time to tell the story to your doctor? So here's tip number one. When the doctor comes in, ask the doctor, how long do we have together? That way you'll know how much time you have to tell your story. And tip number two, if your doctor comes in and immediately opens up the laptop, you can ask the doctor whether they would be comfortable closing that laptop, taking some notes on a piece of paper, and then putting that information in the laptop later. Or another alternative is many practices have someone who's what's called a scribe, which means they come in with the laptop and they are taking notes as you're having a one-on-one conversation with your doctor. So you can either ask the doctor to put the laptop away or see if they have a scribe in the office. And tip number three, if you feel that you have enough time to talk with your doctor, see if you can schedule a follow-up visit. Or maybe your doctor can be available for you on the phone after hours. Tell the doctor that really all you need is about 10 or 15 minutes and see if your doctor is willing to do that after hours. Hope you like this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button below. Why? Because then you'll be able to take advantage of all my videos. I'm putting out a lot of great medical malpractice content and I want you to be a part of it.